On today's episode of Marry an Igbo Man, there's this beautiful clip I want you guys to see because, of course, you already know. For every time I come here to tell you marry an Igbo man, I always come with receipts. And trust me, this particular video is so mesmerizing because I can't be the only one gushing over this video. That's why I had to come and show it to you all and to use it to buttress my point, to reiterate and to reaffirm and to re-recommend that you should marry an Igbo man. So let's watch this together.
So we would like to hear what the journey was like and how God brought us to this point.
Hello everybody.
Hi.
Sorry, I'm a bit shy when it comes to crowd. That is how it does. Marry Igbo man.
Marry Igbo man, you heard that?
So I want to thank everybody for coming today. I have my Marry Igbo man. Okay, so as I was saying, I want to thank God for a safe delivery of both Maya and Mayor. I had Mayor just 4 months ago, and it was God's grace, you know. So I want to thank God for my husband that have been so supportive. It's not been easy. It was a journey we had no much idea about, but we were able to take it pace at pace. So I want to thank God for that. The delivery, of course, we know it's not the easy. For Maya's case, where I actually went out of breath, I had seizures, you know, I was admitted for days, I had preeclampsia, postclampsia, but the Lord brought me out. So I want to thank God I didn't have same experience with Mayor's time. It was smooth, the doctors were cooperative, you know, and then there was money, you know. There are certain things we do not make, you know, appreciate God for, you know. Money is is tangible. I want to thank God for being able to provide for my husband, to foot the bills. At least I did not give birth and finish and we're looking for hospital. So I want to thank God for that. I want to thank God. So that is my testimony. Is there more I have to say?
No, marry
an Igbo man.
Marry an Igbo man.
You want your husband marry Igbo man? Money when we got you know.
You guys, this is so beautiful to watch. Like, I can't get over this video, trust me. This is yet another reason out of 1,000 reasons why you should marry an Igbo man. Because I mean, this man will spoil you, see. This man will embarrass you with money. See, it is one thing to have a man that has money, and it is another thing to have a man who has that money and is willing to spend it. It can only be evil men. Trust me. Evil men are those sets of men who would have this money and they are willing to spoil their women silly with this same money. Do you understand? This is yet another reason why I am here to remind you that you should marry an evil man. Alright guys, see you in my next video. Bye. Mwah.